New at 6, Boardman homeowners met to discuss the recent flooding. It started at 2 p.m. at Boardman Park. Shortly after, Representative John Bucheri came out. He even toured some of the flooded homes after the meeting. Organizers of today's meeting say many Boardman homeowners don't have flood insurance. That's why they need as much help as they can get.
Our goal is to help people now get resources, literally raw materials that probably construction projects that are working on in Boardman today can be gathered by the township and help some of these people immediately so that they can get relief and the next storm doesn't hurt them like it did this time.
Several homeowners are still cleaning up after the heavy rain more than a week ago.